Textiles Journal edition for the third week of October 2023 marks its return, offering up-to-date information on the textile and apparel industry in Europe and the United States. Notably, these regions have witnessed a surge in demand for sustainable products. Additionally, to round off this edition, we provide valuable insights from the Asian region. I am pleased to inform you that my esteemed colleague, Elena Iranushka, will be responsible for delivering the latest news updates from Europe.
Thank you, Natalie. European fashion brands are responding to consumer demands for eco-friendly fashion by launching sustainable collections for the fall season. According to a recent McKinsey company survey, 72% of European consumers are willing to pay extra for sustainable items due to concerns about the fashion industry's environmental impact and a preference for ethical brands. Leading brands like H&M Group, Inditex Group, and Kering Group are introducing clothing lines made from recycled and sustainable materials such as polyester, organic cotton, tencel, and organic linen. These collections demonstrate brands' commitment to reducing their environmental footprint and meeting consumer desires for sustainable option. Comistra, an Italian wool recycling company, uses mechanical recycling to regenerate wool from used clothing. This sustainable and energy-efficient method involves sorting, washing, grinding, and compounding to recover material while preserving its chemical composition. In Europe, mechanical recycling accounts for over 99% of recycled quantities. Regenerated wool has a lower environmental impact, as it eliminates the need for dyeing, saving water, reducing toxic chemical use, and minimizing CO2 emissions. It also reduces land use by eliminating extensive sheep farming. Comistra's process includes manual sorting and a machine called lavastraccia, which washes and frays fibers into new yarn for fresh garments. This approach emphasizes a responsible and eco-friendly textile production. As Turkey celebrates its 100th year as a republic, its apparel industry aims to be a significant sourcing option alongside China, in response to current geopolitical tensions. The 16th Istanbul Apparel Conference, organized by TGSD, explored various aspects of the industry's evolution, including traceability, sustainability, the impact of artificial intelligence on design, and new EU regulations. TGSD co-chair Ramazan Kaya emphasized the need for adaptation, highlighting the shift from fast fashion to slow fashion, and the changing landscape of fashion sourcing due to the US-China trade war. Kaya believes that focusing on sustainability and circularity will position Turkey as an appealing alternative sourcing hub, meeting buyers' demands for new options amidst global tensions.
Thank you, Elena, for providing insightful information from the European region. Much like numerous brands within the European Union, American brands are also actively engaging in similar endeavors concerning product sustainability. U.S. fashion brands are embracing sustainability for the fall season in response to increased consumer demand for eco-friendly fashion. A McKinsey company survey revealed that 66% of U.S. consumers are willing to pay more for sustainable products, driven by concerns about the fashion industry's environmental impact and a desire to support ethical brands. Brands like Levi Strauss Company, Gap Incorporated, and Patagonia are launching sustainable collections featuring recycled materials, plant-based leather, and sustainable dyes. These efforts signify the industry's shift towards sustainability, offering stylish and affordable eco-conscious options for consumers. The fashion supply chain is on the cusp of transformation through the Smart Flexibility project, led by the International Trade Center (ITC) and the International Apparel Federation (IAF). Leveraging AI and data tools, this initiative empowers fashion suppliers to generate value for brands and manufacturers. A crucial advantage of Smart Flexibility is its ability to defer production commitments closer to actual demand, leading to reduced inventory costs and enhanced cash flow. Additionally, it mitigates the risk of overproduction, a significant contributor to industry waste. Smart Flexibility is set to launch fully in 2024, endorsed by the Sustainable Terms of Trade Initiative (STTI), for its potential to foster equitable purchasing practices and sustainability objectives, thus promising a more efficient and profitable fashion supply chain. The ITC and IAF are currently previewing the research phase of their AI fashion supply chain project at the IAF World Fashion Convention in Philadelphia 23 to October 24.
Textiles, which has been published since 2007, will always accompany your textile business with the latest information, data and accurate analysis.
From Indonesia reported that, the Jakarta Muslim Fashion Week, JMFW, 2023, which opened on October 18, has drawn attention from notable figures including Vice President Maruf Amin and Minister of Trade Zulkifli Hasan, highlighting the immense potential of the Muslim fashion industry. As demand for Muslim fashion products grows worldwide, Indonesia envisions becoming a global hub for Muslim fashion. What sets Indonesian Muslim fashion apart is its unique incorporation of Indonesian wastra, fabric, aesthetics. The government's involvement in JMFW reflects its commitment to promoting Muslim fashion brands for export, while fostering new talents in line with market preferences. JMFW 2023, held concurrently with Trade Expo Indonesia (TI), showcases the work of 144 Indonesian designers through fashion shows, business matching, and talk shows, with the event taking place from October 19 to 22. From Sri Lanka reported that, Sri Lanka's apparel industry is embracing organic manufacturing, with a focus on producing eco-friendly clothing using organic textiles. The Joint Apparel Association, JAF, has noted an increasing number of Sri Lankan companies obtaining Global Organic Textile Standard (GOTS) certification, indicating a growing awareness of international best practices and sustainability within the industry. GOTS certification covers the entire production process, from textile processing to licensing and labeling, ensuring products contain a minimum of 70% organic fibers and adhere to strict environmental and toxicological standards. It also prioritizes social responsibility, addressing human rights and labor issues. This commitment to sustainability aligns with evolving global supply chain regulations and sustainability expectations. This report is based on the esteemed World Textiles Journal's 3rd week edition, October 2023. We have full confidence that the information we are providing will be a valuable reference for the growth of your business. I am Natalia, and on behalf of my colleague Elena Iranushka, we express our sincerest gratitude and eagerly anticipate our next meeting. Kindly consider subscribing, liking, and commenting on this channel to support us.